No. Hi guys, Louis from the Travelling Maze. Alex is asleep right now, so he is not with us today in the vlog, so you're stuck with me. And today I thought, this idea in my mind has been building up for a while, and I thought I would take you guys along with me to do a day in the life of me. So what I would normally do, because I work during the week, I get my weekends off, so I thought I would take you around with me and show you what I would do on a day-to-day afternoon on a Saturday. So it's morning actually, so it's 10:26 in the morning. So I was up at 9 and I went and had some breakfast with Alex and we watched a little something on Amazon. So I just thought I would take you on a bit of a weird journey with me and just show you what I would get up to on my day-to-day with what a vlogger does. So we had our breakfast this morning, so a lot of it is going to be very boring. It's just general like house chores. We're just gonna do a bit of tidying, things like that. Okay, so that's now all done. So that I've put the washing machine on and the dishwasher. We're now going to sort of get ourselves ready because I have to go shopping. I won't be taking the camera with me though because there are people doing the same thing as me. So I don't really feel comfortable. I know obviously that's what we're about, you know, the travel vloggers. But I don't feel personally comfortable with taking a camera in a public place. So I'm just getting ready and sorted to go. So the time is now 10:41. So when I get back, we'll go from there. Okay guys, just gotten ready. I'm now gonna head out and get some shopping and then I will be back.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, we are back. Sorry, that took quite longer than I thought. It is currently 12:38, so we were only about an hour or so. So we've got the shopping, so I'm now gonna resume my chores of the day. Now I'm just gonna record little snippets so you're not having to sit and watch the boring stuff. Okay, now that I've put all the shopping away, so the time is now 12:55, as you can see, so now it's time to clean the flat. Okay, kitchen is done. The time is now just coming up to 2 o'clock. It takes a long time to clean the kitchen because obviously I like to pull it all out. So time to do the bathroom. So the bathroom is all done. It is now 2:37. It's time to tackle the lounge. Now in here, it doesn't actually need a lot doing. So we're just gonna do what I can. It's just this room and then it's office stuff. Okay, so we are now in the office. I have finally cleaned the biggest part of the flat. Can't do the bedroom because Alex is asleep in there. So we're just going to tidy up the office a little bit put some important paperwork away and just give it a little bit of a tidy. I've got some washing to put on the Era, and then I've got some important work to do, which involves travelling, by the way, because obviously we are a travelling channel, so this is a little bit different to our previous videos. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and it's currently coming up to 3:10. What is it? 3:08. Now that all the flat is tidy, I've got to go on the laptop because I have some planning and research to do for a couple of our video projects coming up. So I've obviously got some video editing stuff. So we've got projects in the works, but because we haven't organised them, or we're in the middle of organising them, we can't really edit. So I've got a few projects that we have semi-done, but I just want to make a start on the editing process. Kind of go from there. So I'm going to obviously put my headphones on. So editing literally is as boring as this. So yeah, so this is the software we use. We use Filmora. Yeah, Wondershare Filmora. But with editing as well, you also get a lot of errors. So a lot of the times you have to cut out the errors and things like that. Okay, after many hours of editing, it's time to go and eat. The time is now 5:18, and it's time for us to go and cook some dinner for me and Alex. And today I'm going to cook spaghetti and meatballs for me and Alex. So while he's slowly waking up, I'm going to make some spaghetti and meatballs. Go spaghetti and meatballs for me and Alex to eat for our dinner. So now I'm gonna just go and demolish my dinner, and then it's gonna be probably time for a bit of chilling. Okay, let's just quickly attack. That is nice. Right. Okay, after a lovely divine dinner, probably should let it go down a bit first, but I do have the beds to now strip, which I've already pre-stripped ahead of time, since obviously Alex has been up and about, he's moving around, so I can get in there and just strip the bed. I'm getting very hot and sweaty. It's been quite warm today in the flat, so I'm going to quickly jump in the shower, and then it's going to be unwinding time for me and Alex. By the time is now 6:22, and then we'll kind of see where it takes us. And just like that, bed is done. I pulled the duvet back, so then obviously when we get into bed, we can just go flump. I'm feeling a little bit, I'll say grubby, but it's not in that intention because obviously I've been cleaning all day. I need a change of jammies, and you can't be when you've just had a shower and you've just put the fresh bedding on. When you're all clean, getting into a bed with fresh bedding on is the best. So okay guys, it's now 6:36. It's now time for a shower, so see you in a bit. That's better. I feel very refreshed now. It is now currently 6:44, and I'm going to get changed, and then I'm going to quickly put another load of washing on the Aera, and then we're probably going to sit down and chill with Alex for a couple of hours, and then we're going to then just probably play some games. I'll keep you updated with what we're doing. Anyway, okay guys, we're now dressed into something a lot more cooler. It is now 6:50. I'm just going to quickly check the stuff that's on the Aera, make sure it's dry. If it's dry, then we're going to take that off, and then we're going to put some news things on it, and then okay guys, we're all sorted. Close it on the Aera, just airing. It is now 7:07, and we're going to play some BattleBlock Theatre on the Xbox 360. Yeah, I had it the other day. It was really cool, but really different. Yeah, BattleBlock Theatre.
Done that one, gotta do this one.
Did that one, didn't we?
I didn't finish it.
Oh.
So it took us out of the game to see.
"2,000 years later."
Hey guys, it's many hours later. I am still in the process of still playing games with Alex and a family member of mine. But that's basically what's going to be my day in the life. We started playing BattleBlock Theatre, and then we've then changed to Halo. So we've played a lot of games, had a bit of chill time, and yeah. So guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up here today. It's been a very interesting game. Interesting day. So that's kind of like what I would do most weekends. And yeah, so guys, like, comment and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section if you want Alex to do a day in the life of what he would do, and then we'll just go from there. If you want to leave anything in the comment section, leave it down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.